everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna unboxing my new handbag, which is a FURLA Julia Mini. I got it from a Nordstrom rack, and let's see what we have. So it's like you see, it's actually have been carefully wrapped, and inside is gonna be my bag. It's come with a dust bag, FURLA, and this is a mini size, but actually pretty good for a mini size. I thought it's supposed to be smaller, but it's actually not that bad. So the thing about FURLA is actually made in Italy, and the lock is a flap over flap with push lock closer, like you see. Push lock, press it, and then it's open like this. Ta-da! Let me see the inside, see how big is the bag. So inside, this is what in the inside. You can see the FURLA logo right here in the gold tone. Also, this one is a gold tone too. And you can see the card slot. It's have 3 card slot in here. I don't know if you can see. And then it's come with this instruction book, like how you take care of the product, and in many languages. And this one is a single drop chain shoulder strap. Then I got it for like $190, around $200 for this handbag. I think it's pretty good deal for an Italian handbag, like you see here. So thank you for watching my channel.